Sweetening, your English. The meaning of sweetener. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English language phrases. Our star of the show? The term, sweetener. Have you heard it before? Whether you're familiar or not, by the end of this video, you'll understand it inside out. So, let's start with the basics. At its core, a sweetener is something that adds sweetness. Think about the sugar or honey you might add to your tea or coffee. These are natural sweeteners, but not all sweeteners are natural. Some are artificial or man-made, like saccharin or aspartame, used in many sugar-free products. In English, words aren't always used in their direct sense. Just like other phrases, sweetener can have a figurative or metaphorical meaning. When used this way, it often means something added to an offer or deal to make it more attractive. For example, if someone is selling a car and offers a free service as a bonus, that service acts as a sweetener to make the deal more appealing. To help you fully grasp the term, here are some example sentences. 1. I prefer using sweetener in my coffee instead of sugar. 2. The company added a sweetener to the deal by offering free shipping. As you can see, understanding the context is crucial to determine whether the term is used literally or figuratively. And there you have it. The term, sweetener, is not just about taste. It's also about making things more appealing. We hope this video helped clarify its meaning and usage. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its depth and versatility. Keep exploring, and sweeten your linguistic journey.